Are you ready for some exciting news? Well, grab your favorite snack because the final goodbye to Samsung's quest for the ultimate smartphone chip has officially arrived. That's right. If you've been following the buzz, you know it's a big deal, and now it's totally confirmed. The Galaxy S25 series is going all in on the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip across the board. What does that mean for you? No need to fork out extra cash for the Ultra model just to snag top-notch performance. You can enjoy that powerhouse performance even with the standard Galaxy S24. And it gets even better. Rumor has it that the S26 series will also roll out with the Snapdragon 9 Elite chip in all models. So whether you're a die-hard Samsung fan or just love a good gadget, there's plenty to cheer about. Speaking of cheers, here's some good news for Google Pixel fans too. The upcoming Tensor G5 chip will be manufactured by TSMC instead of Samsung, which means no performance compromises there either. It's a win-win for everyone. But hold up, because there's a twist. Samsung found a way to cut some costs, and it looks like the S25 series will come with M13 OLED panels instead of the latest and greatest M14 panels. You might be wondering, what's the difference? Well, the M14 panels boast about 20% better power efficiency. Crazy, right? It's a little surprising since Samsung is dishing out those top-tier M14 displays to its biggest competitor, Apple, with their iPhone 16 Pro lineup. So, while this news might sting a bit, it's all part of the Qualcomm chip transition, which, by the way, is around 20% pricier than last gen. But don't worry too much. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip is said to deliver a hopping 44% power efficiency boost over its predecessor. That's definitely something to be excited about. And let's talk colors. A massive leak just dropped all 4 colors for the Galaxy S25 series, and wow, there's a fantastic palette to choose from. The S25 Ultra is rocking a stunning new titanium blue, while the S25 and S25 Plus are bringing some sparkling blue and green options to the party. Plus, if you're on the hunt for even more unique colors, Samsung's online store always has some exclusive goodies waiting for you. So there you have it, some awesome news and a bit of a letdown all rolled into one. I'd love to hear what you think about all this. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.